Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Smiley. I hope you are having a wonderful day today. We had fun sharing a book about Gerald and Piggie yesterday. Let's go for a drive. And I love Mo Willems' books. They're so much fun. I wanted to share another one with you today. And this is called There is a Bird on Your Head. And you can see whose head the bird is on. Gerald's right there. It's written by Mo Willems, so I thought we'd have some fun reading this today. And remember, all these fun conversation bubbles. It says, there is a bird on your head. And of course, Piggie's yelling it. We see the big pink bubble where he's talking. So let's start here. There they are sitting. There's a bird. Here he comes. And where is that bird gonna go? Right on Gerald's head. Piggie! Yells Gerald. Oh my goodness. Is something on my head? Oh no. Yes. Oh. There is a bird on your head. There is a bird on my head? See the question mark? I don't think he believes it. Oh! There he goes running. Oh, there's the birdie. He jumped off, I guess. Is there a bird on my head now? No. Oh my goodness, boys and girls, make a little prediction. What do we see coming into the story right there? Now, there are two birds on your head. There they are. Poor Gerald. What are two birds doing on my head? Oh, he's yelling, isn't he? Look how big the words are. They are in love. And we know they're in love because look, see the little heart? The birds on my head are in love. Look at him. He's like, oh my goodness. They are lovebirds. Lovebirds? How do you know they are lovebirds? We'll make a prediction. How do you think they know that Piggie knows, boys and girls? They are making a nest. Oh my goodness, boys and girls, look where they're making a nest, right on Gerald's head. Two birds are making a nest on my head? What do you think Piggie's gonna say? Why would two birds make a nest on my head? Look at this picture. I am afraid to ask. Oh no. What do you think is going to happen? Make a prediction. These two birds just made a nest on Gerald's head. Do I have an egg on my head? Oh, Piggie's looking. Boys and girls, do you see in the nest? Is it just an egg? One, two, three. You have 3 eggs on your head. You think Gerald is going to be happy about this? Make a prediction. Happy or sad? I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Well, then I have good news. I wonder what his good news could be. The eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching. Look, they're starting to crack, aren't they? Hatching? Oh my goodness, poor Gerald. The eggs on my head are hatching? Cheep, cheep, cheep. Oh, the little birdies are singing. They have hatched. Oh my goodness, look at all these birdies on poor Gerald's head. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head. And 2 birds. And a nest. That's a lot to have on poor Gerald's head. 3 baby birds, 2 big birds, and a nest. That's a lot. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Where do you want them? Somewhere else. Oh my goodness, Gerald's had it. Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them? Ask them. Well, let's see what happens. Make a prediction. Do you think he's going to ask them? And if he does, do you think they'll go? Okay. I will try asking. Excuse me, birds. Will you please go somewhere else? Okay, so he asked the birds. What do you think they're going to do? Okay, no problem. Oh, look at their bubble. It's their very own color. It matches them. No problem, they said. It worked. There they go. Bye. Look, there they are. They're carrying their nest away. What a cute picture that is. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. You are welcome. Where did they go, boys and girls? Where did they fly to? They flew to Piggy's head. Do you think he's going to like having a family of birds on his head? I don't think so. But thank you for being such great listeners. This is a very cute and fun story. I can't wait to see the pictures you draw that go with this story. Oh my gosh, you could draw Gerald with a nest on his head and all the eggs and the birds. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to see your pictures. And write some sentences about Gerald and Piggy and the birds making a nest on Gerald's head. Okay? Have a great day, boys and girls.